Hello students, good morning to you all. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. This is your science period. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will continue with the reading and explanation of lesson 7, that is housing and clothing. So all of you take out your science books quickly and open page number 52 in your science books. Alright, then this is part 3 of this video. Okay. So students, till now we have studied about houses. Why do we need house? We learnt about different types of houses. There are kacha house, pakka house, temporary house, permanent house. So we learnt about these things. Now today we will move further to the types of roofs. Now today we will study about types of roofs. Okay. So roofs may be flat or sloping. The surface of the roof can be flat or sloping. There are different types of roof. So this position of the roof is called flat surface. This is flat roof. And if the position of the roof is like this, it is tilted, then it is called sloping roof. Alright? Is it clear to you all? This is flat roof, which is flat in nature, and this is sloping roof. People living in plains build houses with the flat roofs, and the people who live in plains build houses with the flat roofs. The surface of the roof is flat. Can you see this diagram? This is a house with a flat roof. See, this is a house where the surface of the roof is flat. It is not sloping in nature. So it is flat roof. So people who lives in plain area build houses with the flat roof. People living in hill areas build houses with the sloping roofs. And the people who lives in hilly areas, hilly areas, there are so much of rainfall, snowfall. So people living in those areas build houses with the sloping roof. See this diagram? The surface of this roof is sloping. It is not flat. It is sloping. So they build houses with the sloping roofs. Why do they do so? Sloping roofs allow snow and rain to slide down easily. They build the surface of their roof, which is sloping in nature, because if there is a heavy rainfall or snowfall, it can be easily fallen down, because in hilly areas there are so much of snowfall and rainfall. If it will be flat in nature, then snow and water will stay on the surface of the roof. So they built sloping roof so that it can be easily fallen down on the ground. It may not remain on the surface. Alright. At places where it rains heavily, people make houses on wooden poles. And the places where there is a heavy rainfall, the people living in those areas build houses with the wooden poles. They see this diagram? There is a wooden poles. See these are called poles, and there is a house on this wooden poles. Such houses are called stilt house, and this type of house is called stilt house. The house which is on the wooden poles are called stilt house, because there are so much of rainfalls and the rainwater may enter in their house, so they build their houses on the wooden poles. A house made of ice is called a igloo, and the house which is made up of ice is called igloo. See, this is a diagram of an igloo, and it is made up of snow. So house made of ice is called igloo. Eskimos lives in igloos. And who lives in igloos? Eskimos. Eskimos lives in igloos. Alright. Now let's move to the page number 53. Clothes we wear. We wear different types of clothes. So we will study about the clothes that we wear. We wear clothes because they protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes because clothes protect us from heat during summer seasons, cold during winter seasons, rain during rainy seasons and wind during spring and autumn seasons. So it protects us from all these things. So it covers our body and saves us from all these things. So we wear clothes. We wear different clothes in different seasons and we wear different clothes in different seasons. See this diagram. What is there? There is a boy standing here and it is sun is shining over there. We wear cotton clothes in summer seasons to keep ourselves cool. And the boy is wearing cotton t-shirt and jeans. So we wear cotton clothes during the summer seasons. See, this is a summer scene and the boy is wearing cotton clothes. So we wear cotton clothes in summer season because it keeps us cool as it is light in nature. So the air can easily pass through it. So we wear cotton clothes during summer seasons. Next diagram. This is a winter scene. As you can easily recognize, this is a winter scene. Snowfall is there. The boy is wearing mufflers, sweaters, everything. So this is a winter scene. We wear woolen clothes in winter seasons. Which type of clothes we wear in winter seasons? We wear woolen clothes in winter seasons to keep ourselves warm because the winter clothes keeps us warm. We get wool from sheep and we prepare woolen clothes from the wools that we get, and we wear woolen clothes in winter season because woolen clothes keeps us warm. Alright. See the third diagram. This is a rainy season. As you can easily recognize, this is a rainy scene. We wear raincoats, gumboots and carry an umbrella in our rainy seasons. We wear raincoats. See, this boy is wearing raincoats and this girl is wearing having umbrella because it's raining. So raincoats, umbrella, gumboots, all these things keeps us safe from rain. So we wear and carry raincoats, umbrella and gumboots during rainy seasons. Alright. So here we come to the end of this chapter. Let's just revise the things. Kacha house, a house made of mud, straw and wood is called kacha house. Pakka house, a house made of bricks, cement, stones and irons is called a pakka house. Alright. Permanent house, a house which cannot be moved from one place to another is called permanent house, which is not movable. And a temporary house, a house which can be moved from one place to another, called temporary house, like tent, caravans, houseboats, all these are the temporary house. Alright. Let's revise the things. A house keeps us safe from heat, cold, wind and rain. Our house keeps us safe from all these things. Bricks, cement and stones are some materials used to build house. These are the materials which are used for building houses. I have shown you The materials also like sand, cement, stones. Kacha house and Pakka house are the permanent house. These houses are called a permanent house as they are not movable. Tent, caravans and houseboats are temporary house. These houses are temporary house. They can be moved from one place to another. Houses in hill areas have sloping roofs, and the houses which are in hilly areas build the roof of their house which is sloping, because there are so much heavy rainfall and snowfall, and so that it can be easily fallen down on the ground. We wear different clothes in different seasons, and we wear different clothes in different seasons, like summer clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes, in winter seasons we wear woolen clothes, in rainy seasons we wear raincoats, umbrella, gum boots, all these things. Alright, I hope things are clear to you all. So here we come to the end of this chapter. If you have any confusion, you can ask me during your class. Now you just write down your today's homework. Your homework: Science, 19th 9 2020. Mark the hard words of lesson 7 in your books only. Alright, you have to mark the hard words of lesson 7 in your books only. You are going to mark the hard words in books only. No one is going to write in the copies until and unless we will do in the class. Alright, you will mark this in your books only and show it to me. Alright. So students, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.